Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Tom's of Maine Whole Care Natural Toothpaste with fluoride in spearmint flavor. This toothpaste is renowned for its comprehensive oral care benefits. It's not just about freshening your breath, it's about providing holistic dental hygiene. Let's unpack what makes this product stand out. Firstly, it's formulated with fluoride, which is essential for fighting cavities and strengthening enamel. This means it not only cleans your teeth but actively protects them from decay. Beyond cavity protection, this toothpaste offers a range of benefits. It helps whiten teeth, prevent tartar buildup, and promotes remineralization, crucial for maintaining a healthy smile. What sets Tom's of Maine apart is its commitment to natural ingredients. This toothpaste contains no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors. Plus, it's gluten-free and not tested on animals, aligning perfectly with eco-conscious consumers' values. The packaging is also worth noting. The tube is recyclable, marked with a blue flag for easy identification. It encourages users to squeeze out every bit of paste to minimize waste, a small but impactful detail in their sustainability efforts. For best results, apply a pea-sized amount to your toothbrush and brush thoroughly twice a day, just like you would with any toothpaste. The refreshing spearmint flavor leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh without artificial aftertastes. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a toothpaste that combines effective cavity protection with natural ingredients and sustainable packaging, Tom's of Maine Whole Care Natural Toothpaste with fluoride in spearmint flavor is definitely worth considering. If you've tried this product before, share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling and take care.